Done with how many seconds we got left?
No, you finished right on time.
Aw, damn. Weird flex, but all right. Hello, creatives. What's going on? Devin here again with another episode of The Modern Creative. This time I've got a couch full of guests with me because we are going to recreate one of my favorite segments that I've seen online, and that is 3 photographers shoot 1 model. So you guys know me. I am Devin at Devin Christopher Photography. Second photographer of the day is...
I'm Carly at Carly Izard Photo.
And I'm Sienna at Stegosaur Photography.
Boom. And you guys, of course, know the lovely...
I'm Trina, and you can find me on Instagram at The Train Machine.
So, what we are going to do today is every single one of us is going to choose a location to shoot at. We are going to spend 5 minutes there, and that is going to give us each a shot to shoot Trina in an outfit in the setting that we choose, and kind of all get a chance to see how we would interpret this model. So, we're just going to dive right into it. Not much else to get into. So, let's go! Alright, so we are here at the first location, Sienna's pick actually, and we are going to let her be the first one to start shooting. So, what camera do you got?
Today I'm using the Sony AX6000, and right now I just have the kit lens on it, but I might play with a few others.
Boom. Alright, so first things first. Ready?
Let's go.
Go! Okay, so we are here at the first location, Sienna's pick. It is now Carly's turn to go. So Carly, what are you shooting with?
I'm shooting with a Canon EOS 80D. Just got this a couple months ago, so still kind of learning the ropes on it, but it's a lot of fun.
I'm on the same boat. I'm excited to see what you can do with it.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Let's go.
Ready, go! Feeling it. Done with how many seconds we got left?
No, you finished right on time.
Aw, damn. Weird flex, but alright, we're done with the first location. On to Carly's location. You ready?
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. are here at location number 3. This is gonna be my pick, and we are at this weird little RTD center at the end of 16th Street Mall, and we're just gonna dive right into it. Trina's back there changing right now so we can get the outfit ready. But 5 minutes on the clock. Ready, go! So we just wrapped up. That was location number 3, and I'm actually really excited about how that turned out. How do you guys feel about it?
I feel good about it.
Yeah, I'm pumped to see and get some editing on these.
Yeah.
Get them out there.
I'm
Yes.
excited to see what you guys got too.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see how everyone's take was. So we're gonna let them edit their photos, and then we're just gonna play them out for the rest of the video. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and follow these two. They're extremely talented. I want to thank them. Thank them so much. You guys are the best. Appreciate you. We out. Bye, guys.